that we have to do 7.2 as well. In that, I saw in the task sheet that we have to use something like UML diagram in that. So what software are you guys using? And like it said something like we have to use abstract, which we later override. How do we do the same with the public virtual? Like what's the difference between the both, bro? Can anyone explain me that?
So for the 7.2, the software you can use is Lucid. I think they've mentioned it in the task sheet as well. Um, I don't know if there's any other software you know about, but I use Lucid and it's very easy. It's very handy. You just have to bring in the shapes and use the arrows to make a UML diagram. And
Hmm.
what else you asked about? About the signs that we use, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So as you know, for each box, a box represents a class, and in that
Hmm.
box, we just name the methods. And we use different signs to indicate what kind of methods they are. So we use plus for a public method, we use minus for a private method, and then we use hash for a protected one.
I get it.
Yeah,
And
and
what about
plus
the
you
next
asked about
question? And
public virtual, right?
yeah, public virtual. Yep.
It, public virtual and abstract. You kind of confused in them. So
Yep.
a public virtual. So even if it's a public virtual, even if it's an abstract class, whatever we inherit from them, we override it. But when it's a public virtual method, it's up to us. It's our choice if we want to override them or if we're just going to call them as it is. But when it's
Mhm.
an abstract class, whatever we inherit from an abstract class, we have to override it. It cannot be called as it is. Otherwise, it'll just give a compilation error.
Okay.
You
Uh,
get the difference?
I get it. I get it. Thank you so much, Manam.
Yeah. Guys, have you done the 8.1c yet? I'm a bit confused about it.
Yes, like what we have to
Bro,
do in like
there's a
the
lot of
8.1
time,
C.
bro. That 3 weeks.
I went through
Uh,
the
No,
task
I
sheet
mean,
once. I have like a overall
like
idea of what to do.
I'm just doing the
So what's
past,
in it?
the credit ones first, so I'll be left with the time for distinction ones.
I went through the task sheet. Like it's not that difficult. Like I understood like basically what you have to do. You know what a stack is? Like a
Yep.
stack is basically like you imagine a real world stack. Like you're stacking
Yeah.
things on top. So using an array, you have to create a generic stack. Generic stack means basically that you create a stack which can handle any specific class
Data
type
type.
and yeah any no class type like it can handle any of that like and basically you have to declare some methods in it and stuff like that and then you have to that's basically like the gist of it.